what's up? This is Koach Dejon, and right now I'm going to do a little breakdown of what it actually means to body sculpt. Alright, because there's a lot of confusion out there. There's a lot of people doing a lot of different programs. There's a lot of different exercises out there, a lot of different trainers, a lot of different philosophies. There's a lot of different theories going out there, a lot of confusion. So I'm going to break it down on what body sculpting really is, so that when you go out there looking for a program to body sculpt you, you're going to be able to actually look at or figure out what it is you're actually looking for in a program. Instead of going and doing a program, just doing a bunch of random movement, you're going to need to know what it actually means. So let's look at this real quick. The first thing about body sculpting is we're going to break it into two categories, right? We have adding and we have subtracting. So the first thing to look at, right, is, so let's look at the basic concept of what a physique is and what a woman's really looking to do. Alright, so we take the basic hourglass shape, right? The basic physique. Alright, so we could have this, right? We're looking at places where obviously we want to subtract, right? And we might be looking at areas where, say for the leg areas, or if you look at behind the scenes of it from the butt, right, this is the front, we're going to have areas that we want to add. Alright, that's body sculpting. You need to learn what body movements you're doing, alright, because under here there's anatomy. For example, there's abs right here, right? Those are areas where we're going to want to subtract from when it comes from the waistline, and there's areas we're going to want to add to emphasize that hourglass shape when it comes to a woman's physique. These are the basic elements, and I spell it with a K, of what body sculpting really is all about. So we have to look at a program that's going to give us addition in the areas where we're lacking and subtract. And the main things that we subtract is body fat. Normally the back of the arms for ladies here, the sides right here, the stomach pouch, the outside of the hips. There'll be some areas for ladies in the butt area where they want to lift their butt. But in general, some ladies want to add to their butt. So that means they're going to have to actually work these glute muscles here and build them. So that's going to be an addition. The areas where they're going to want to emphasize the hourglass shape, they're going to want to subtract, and that's going to come with burning fat. And we'll talk about that in our lesson when it comes to burning fat, because there's a lot of confusion about that. But these are the basic elements of what comprises a body sculpting program. You just got to look at it real simple. I need a program that's going to add where I lack, and I need a program that's going to subtract where I want to get rid of. And that's what's going to emphasize this natural hourglass shape. For a woman, at least. That's what is referred to as curves. Curves are a blend of lines that emphasize the hourglass shape of a woman. That's curves. That's the first lesson in body sculpting. I'm Koach Dejon.